Unraveling, as swift as a brush, a deep dive into English idioms. Hello and welcome to our English language learning journey. Today, we're exploring a unique and somewhat puzzling phrase, as swift as a brush. This expression might sound unfamiliar to many, as it's not commonly used in everyday English. Our goal is to demystify this phrase for you, breaking down its meaning, origin, and how you can use it effectively in your conversations. Let's dive in and uncover the secrets behind this intriguing idiom. At first glance, as swift as a brush might leave you scratching your head. What could possibly link swiftness to a brush? This phrase is actually a twist on more traditional idioms that compare quickness or efficiency to various fast-moving objects or animals. However, it's essential to note that, as swift as a brush, is not a standard expression in English and may have been a misinterpretation or creative variation of expressions like, as quick as a flash, or, as fast as a rabbit. In the English language, context is king. Idioms and phrases gain their true meaning from the situational context in which they're used. For, as swift as a brush, understanding the speaker's intent and the conversation's context can help unravel the phrase's meaning. Since this specific idiom isn't widely recognized, it's a perfect reminder of how English speakers often play with language, creating new expressions or adapting old ones to fit new situations. Using idiomatic expressions like, as swift as a brush, or more commonly recognized ones, effectively requires a few key strategies. 1. Know your audience. Make sure the idiom is appropriate for the situation and that your listener is likely to understand it. 2. Practice moderation. Overusing idioms can confuse listeners, especially non-native speakers. 3. Be clear. If you're not sure how an idiom will be received, provide a brief explanation or use a more straightforward expression. Though, as swift as a brush might not be a phrase you'll find in English textbooks, it serves as a fascinating example of the language's fluidity and the creative ways in which expressions can evolve. English is a living, breathing entity that grows and changes with its speakers. We hope this exploration has not only clarified this peculiar phrase but also inspired you to embrace the dynamic and playful aspects of English language learning. Until next time, keep experimenting with language and finding joy in the learning process.